The Personal Selling Process, Chapter 3, Part 2. The next step is making the approach. Some customers like to talk in order to explain the situation to the fullest extent. The salesperson should patiently listen to the customer's executives and use the opportunity to form a relationship. The next stage is need assessment. The salesperson must understand that the company is purchasing products to satisfy needs or to solve problems. The salesperson must try to discover the problems and clarify and understand the buyer's needs. In course of the discussion, the salesperson should clarify the customer's own mind in respect of 1. The scale of the problem, and 2. The scale of the benefit from solving the problems. The questions that may be used to lead or guide a discussion can be categorized as follows. Situational questions are asked for the factual information concerning the customer's operational practices. These questions typically are on the following lines. How often do you change the cutting oil in your drill presses? Who is involved in the purchase decision for this product? How much inventory of this product can you carry? Problem discovery questions used to uncover potential problems, difficulties, or dissatisfaction being experienced by the company and which the selling company's products and services can solve. Typical problem discovery questions are: which part of your production process is the most difficult in terms of controlling quality? Have you experienced any delays in getting those materials from your current suppliers? Have you experienced any problems in servicing your presses? Problem impact questions. These questions are about the impact that the buyer's problem will have on various aspects of their operation. Salespeople ask these questions to make the buyer think about the consequences of not solving the problem. What impact do the quality problems have on your production costs? What effect does the delay in material receipt has on your operations? How do maintenance problems affect your operations? Solution value question. These questions ask about the value of a solution to a problem uncovered earlier in the conversation. Salespeople use these to reinforce the importance of the solution to the problem. Typical solution value questions are: if the rejection rate on your quality inspection was reduced to under 1%, how much would that save you? How much are your production costs increased by material stockouts? How important is reducing downtime to minimizing your production costs? Confirmatory questions. These questions ask for confirmation from buyers that they are interested in hearing about how your products will help them. Typical confirmatory questions are: so you would be interested in a maintenance program that would minimize your downtime, is that correct? If I can provide evidence to you that our products would significantly lower your rejection rate, would you be interested in that?